Today I'm going to show you how to build your own DIY articulated Batman wings. You're going to need PVC. Don't use a saw because it'll make the edges too rough. Use PVC cutters, which are found in the same aisle. Get your tape measure, then cut. You're going to need a drill with a drill bit that is the size of 1/4 inch. For all the pieces, you're going to want to drill little holes like this so you can fit your screws. You're going to need nuts to go along with your screws. The screws are as follows, and you're going to need a lot of them. To start, you're going to need 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch PVC. Follow these measurements. Each joint is shown as follows. You can hot glue each end if they fall off. For this piece at the bottom, you're going to want to use PVC glue, along with any other joints in the video. Measure your forearm and sew accordingly. You're going to want to stick your piece on as shown, and then you're going to put it all together. And do the same for the other side. Grab yourself some more PVC, this time 3/4 inch. Put together as follows. Get some couplers. Larger pieces for the chest strap to go over. Some more couplers. More small pieces of PVC. Grab yourself some T's. And then fill accordingly. In the center, you're going to place your chest strap with the Velcro. I took a kid's backpack and I ripped off all the straps. And then I sewed them onto the PVC like this. Make sure it's tough because you're going to be holding a lot of weight. We're going to want to make joints that look like this. Get yourself some PVC covers. Put some screws in. You're going to want to build a piece like this, which has 3 different holes in it. Stick your longest screw in the center and stick the other 2 on the sides. You're going to want to put your nuts on there. With your PVC cutters, cut one piece in half so you can cover up the nuts. For this circle, I just used a cheap box cover I found, and I cut a square, cut a circle, and then drilled a hole. You're going to want to build 4 of these and place them in the individual areas that we made on the backpack. And then screw on the edges of your wings. Once assembled, you're going to want to test the strength. You're also going to want to test if they move all the way out. When they're on your back, they will move down by themselves, but to lift them up, you're going to have to attach them to your forearms or wrists. Once you are for sure that it works, you can hot glue all the nuts. Once this is done, you're going to want to place your wings on fabric fully extended and get yourself a white colored pencil. Draw along your fabric very lightly, but enough that you can see, and make each edge from corner to corner curved. Cut along your lines and then use this one for the other side so that the white is on the back instead of the front. Once this is complete, come back and measure, and make sure that these areas here have extra room when you're drawing. As you'll see here, it won't condense because I didn't leave enough room by these areas, which ends up tearing the fabric if you force it. Make sure to leave extra room in these areas right here so that it can condense. Make sure not to glue over your joints and leave plenty of room for them to move. Take your wings and flip them over. Measure and cut more fabric to cover up the back side of the backpack. You're going to want to take your piece of fabric and glue over without gluing on top of the straps on each side. You don't want to glue over your straps just so that they can move in case you need to move out of it. And your finished product should look something like this.